Hello, my name is Pedro Garcia. Today I am going to talk about an important event in my past. This event was very special to me. The special event I wanted to talk about was the day I graduated in architect. I graduated several years ago when I finished my studies. That day I was very nervous but also excited. I was with my parents, my sister, and my two daughters. They support me all the time. The ceremony was in the morning. I wore formal clothes and listening to the speech. When they called my name, I went to the stage and received my diploma. After the ceremony, we took many photos together. We talked loudly and shared a special moment. Later, we had lunch as a family. This event was very important to me because it was a big moment. I studied a lot and worked very hard to me in architect. I feel proud and happy and gratitude. Even now, when I remember that day, I feel motivated. I was a beautiful experience in my life. Thank you for listening to me.